Welcome to Learner's Point. Before watching this video, please subscribe and press bell icon for latest update. In this video, we will discuss about the maths problems of ninth class. Now, we will see how many sections in the math class of ninth book. Let us see. There are mainly three types of sections in the ninth class maths books. First section, number system. Second system, geometry. And third section is algebra. We in this video we will discuss about the geometry part because in overall syllabus there are more than 50% questions are from geometry section. In geometry sections we will first of all learn about line and angles, then triangles, after that quadrilaterals. In to areas and parallelograms of the triangles. Then we will read about the circles, then heroes formulas and the constructions, and at last we will read about surface areas and volume. Now let us see the first chapter of geometry. What is line and angles? Let us see. Now we will see in line and angles chapter. We will first of all see that what is line and segment. Line, what is the line segment? A line segment is a part or a portion of a line with two endpoints is called line segment. Means that when a line has two ending points, that is called line segment. What is the ray? Ray's definition is that a part of a line with one endpoint is called a ray. What this means? This means that a single line that line has only origin point, but that point has no any limitations. That means this line has only origin point, that this is the origin point, but not a limitation, that is called range. Now we will see about what is collinear point. Now let us see what is collinear point. Collinear point definition is that if three or more points rise on the same lines, they are called collinear point. What it means? It means that when three points are on the same line, that is called three or more lines, more than three lines on the same line, that is called collinear points. This is called collinear points. And what is the non-collinear point? This is important thing. What is the non-collinear point? Non-collinear points are mainly they are called the point on the plane surface. It's called non-collinear point. What is plane surface point? This is plane surface point. This is called non-collinear point. Now we will see angle. Angle. What is angle? What is the definition of angle? Many students scared about this angle. What is I will define this angle? What is the definitions of the angle? Is an angle is found when two rays originate from the same endpoint. That means two rays that this rays and this ray has originate point. This is called angle. We will know about this theta. Let us assume that this is that theta. Now we will see about types of angle. How many types of angle? Now let us see how many types of angle. First of all, we will see there are mainly five types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angles, and refraction angle. What is the acute angle? Angle. This is angle. Suppose this is angle. Let us this name theta. Theta is angle. The theta is greater than 0 degree and theta is less than 90 degree. Theta is less than 90 degree. That is called acute angle triangle. This is the great concept of acute angle. When theta is less than 90 degree and when theta is when theta is greater than 0 degree and theta is less than 90 degree, that's called acute angle. What is this mean theta? When theta is greater than 0 degree and theta is less than 90 degree, this is called acute angle triangle. This is acute angle. What is right angle? Right angles means when theta is 90 degree, equal to 90 degree. That is called right angle. This is the very greatest part of the geometry concept. These are the greatest part of the geometry concept. But now we will learn about what is obtuse. Now let us see what is obtuse. When theta is what is sorry, this is not my diagram is not good. Let us draw a diagram. When theta, this is theta. When theta is this is theta. Let us see. When theta is greater than 90 degree. What is when theta is greater than 90 degree and 90 degree and theta is less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Hope you have learned these things in 8th class and hoping that these concepts are clear for you. Now we will see what is the straight angle. Straight angle is nothing. Angle made on a straight line is called straight line. That is mainly equal to 180 degree. That is called straight angle. What is the reflex angle? Reflex angle is nothing. These are the reflection angle. These are the reflection angle. These terms are the red part are the reflection angle. See, these part are the reflection angle. What is the reflection angle? Reflection angle is this is x. Suppose reflection angle is, let us consider x. The reflection angle is what is x? Reflection angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. This is called a reflection angle. These are called reflection angle. Laptop को now let us see what is complementary angle. What is complementary? Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees called complementary. That is two angles. That is, let us consider theta and x. The sum of theta and x equal to 90 degree is called complementary angle. What is the supplementary angle? Two angles whose sum is 180 degree is called supplementary angle. These are the supplementary angles. Let us consider is theta and is x. These are the concept are supplementary angle. These are the supplementary angle. These terms are complementary. What is the vertex? This is the important point. Let us see what is the vertex. Now let us give the word for seeing the vertex. What is the vertex? The common endpoint. Let us see what is the vertex. The common endpoint of two or more rays or line segment. What it means? This means the common endpoint of two rays or more line segment is called the vertex. That this is the vertex angle. This is the vertex. Or what is the vertex? Vertex typically means a corner or point where line meets. These are the vertex point. These are the vertex points. Suppose that a square. How many vertex points have a square? There is no doubt. A square has a 4 meeting point. It means the square has a 4 vertex. Now we will see the questions. Now we will see the questions. What is the adjacent? Let us see the concept of adjacent. Two angles that share a common side and a common vertex, but not a but do not overlap. That means these are common sides. This green part is a common for the two angles, that is theta and that is x. This is called the vertex. What is angle? Now let us see what is angle bisector. Angle bisector is nothing when an angle is equally divided by in two parts, that is called angle bisector. These are the called. Let us consider A, B, and C is a angle. Then now A, B, and D are a theta, and B, C is also theta. So these angle D is segment, D vertex is angle bisector, or we can say that BD is a angle bisector. BD is a angle bisector. Now let us see these questions. How to solve these questions? Now first of all, try yourself, and then we will discuss about this concept. Now first of all, try this concept. Now let us start. Now in this question we will find out the what is the angle of V. Let us we find out the AVO. What is the AVO? Hope you know these things. Let us clear about this matter. Let us solve this. Now we know that ABC is a straight line. Straight angle. We know that the straight angles is 180 degrees. Now we know that these terms are given. These terms are given. Two angles. The two angles are in. There are two angles. Let us point out this. There are two angles in this straight angle. There is angle ABO. Let us consider X and angle OBC. We know that angle ABC is equal to. Let us point out first of all. We will clear all the diagram. Then we will see this concept. Now let us see. Now see the questions. We know that sorry, my diagram is pretty not clear. Now let us see. Now let us see. ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ABO plus OBC. OBC. What is angle ABC? Angle ABC 180 degree is equal to, let us consider angle ABO is a x degree. Let us consider x plus, we know that angle OBC is 160 degree. Now we will see what is the value of x. Hoping that you will know these things. 180 minus 60. What is x equal to? X equal to mainly nothing 120 degree. These are the here concept. What this concept? Let us proceed. We know that ABC is a straight angles, and straight angles is made of two angles. A angle ABO, that is x. Let us point out what is x. These are the x, ठीक? And another angle OBC is 60 degree. Now we know that angle ABC equal to ABO plus OBC. Now we know that straight line ABC equal to 180 degree equal to x degree. X degree, what is x degree? Angle ABO is x degree and angle OBC is 60 degree. Now from here we have to find the what is the value of x. Here value of x is 120 degree. These are the value of angle ABO is mainly 120 degree. Hope you have understood this concept. Now we will see another questions. Now we will see another questions. In these questions we have given two angles, and we know that ABC is a straight line. ABM is a angle. Another angle is, we have three angles. One angle with ABM, another angle with MBN. Let us consider it at as a x, and another angle is NBC. NBC is 20 degree. Now let us see. Let us see the concept. What is the concept? We know that ABC is equal to angle ABM plus MBN plus NBC. What is NBC? Now let us see. What is the angle ABC? Angle ABC is 180 degree equal to, what is the angle ABM? ABM is nothing, it is 70 degree. What is the angle ABM? Angle ABM, it is 70 degree. Let us put that 70 degree plus what is the angle MBN? MBN is nothing, it is x degree. Let us put x plus what is angle NBC? NBC is nothing, it is 20 degree. Now let us define 180 degree is equal to x plus 90 degree. Now from here we can define what is the value of x. Value of x is nothing, 100 minus 90 degree. It is equal to, x is equal to 90 degree. That means angle MBN is a right angle triangle. What is the value of MBN is equal to 90 degree triangle. Thank you for watching this video. Now, let us see this question. What is this question? First of all, we will read it. Now, let us see. In figure, line PQ. What is the PQ? These are the PQ. And RS. What is the RS? These are the RS. Intersect each other at a point O. These are the point O. If POR. What is the POR? These are the POR. POR. These are the POR in nothing. It is in the ratio POR and ROQ. What is ROQ? These are the ROQ. PO and ROQ are in the ratio 5:7. What this means? If you do not know the ratio, you can WhatsApp me on my contact number 7765886442. We will add another video of ratio. Then you will easily define you easily solve this problem. Let us see. In this video, in these questions, we are seeing that POQ. POQ is a state one. What is the POQ? POQ is a state one. We know that POQ. What is the Q? This is Q. My writing is not clear, but hoping that you can understand. POQ is nothing. It is 180 degree. It is a straight line. It is a straight line. Okay. Now we know that POR and ROQ in the ratio of 5:7. That means we will the angle POR is equal to 5:7. What this means? This means that let us see. Now I will see what is the now let us see the concept. POR. What is the PO? What is the POR? POR is nothing. It is equal to 180 into 180 into 5/12. Where from where I have got 12? Where from? Now suppose 7 plus 5. Now the concept is pretty clear. Now let us POR equal P. Now let us put again POR equal to 180 into 5/12. Now let us elaborate these things. Equal to, let us calculate this. What is the, we will divide this thing by 6, that is getting 2, and these are divided by 6, that is I have got 30, and again we have divided this thing by 2, that is called 15. That means POR equal to nothing, it is 15 into 5. 15 into 5, that is equal to 75. Hoping that these concepts are clear for you. That is 75. We know that. Now we will see POQ is a straight line. Now POQ is a straight line. When from a straight line is 180 degree, when we subtract from a straight line of angle 180 degree,
चैनल है नहीं बोलता
right, so
अगला जल्दी
75 degree we will get 105 degree. Hoping that this concept are clear for you. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can solve this question as a handout and these questions as a handout. If you get any issue, then you can WhatsApp me on my mobile number 7765886442 on any time. If you're getting any issue in this video, you can screenshot this video and WhatsApp me on this number. Thank you for watching this video.